Hi, today we're going over section 5.7, solving radical equations. In this video, we'll talk about solving radical equations with multiple radical terms and do problem number 6, 7, and 8. Look at number 6. Step 1 was isolate the radical. Oh no, there's two of them, so don't worry. Just isolate one radical and then press forward. After you isolate the radical, you raise both sides to whatever that would be. So this is the square root. So I need to square both sides. The beauty is both of these are square roots. So if I square both sides, it's awesome. I just get 2x plus 3 equals x plus 1. I'm home free. Combine the like terms by subtracting x from both sides and subtracting 3 from both sides, and I see that x equals -2. Then I plug it back in to check if it's true. If I plug in -2, this gives me -4 plus 3, so -1. And if I plug in -2 on the right side, it gives me -1. So the square root of -1 equals the square root of -1. And that is true. So your answer is x equals -2. Now let's look at problem number 7. First step is to isolate the radical, which there are two of them, so one on each side, that's great. Then they're both cube roots, so you cube both sides to undo those cube roots, and you get 2x plus 7 equals 3x minus 2. Then you subtract the 3x from both sides. So -x, and then you subtract the 7, letters to the left, numbers to the right. So -x equals -9, which gives me x equals 9. Then I plug it in just to make sure it's true. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 7 is 25. So the cube root of 25. And then over here, 9 times 3 is 27 minus 2, 25. So that worked. A true solution. Now let's finish with problem number 8. I need to isolate the radical. So I leave the x minus 3 on one side and I move the square root of x to the other. So you subtract the square root of x. Now I square both sides because I'm undoing this left side, which is the square root. I'm left with x minus 3. And what do I get on this side? Not 9 minus x. No. Don't forget, if you have a binomial, you have to distribute 3 minus root x times 3 minus root x. Distribute. Don't leave out those middle terms. This is 3 times 3 plus 3 times negative root x plus 3 times negative root x plus negative root x times negative root x. So do all of that. A little fun algebra. You guys are really good at that by now. So don't forget those middle terms. So you do have 9, and then minus 3 root x minus 3 root x would be 6. So minus 6 root x's. And then plus a root x times a root x would just give you x. Okay, let's combine all the like terms. So I can subtract x from both sides, and that adds to 0. So -3 equals 9 minus 6 root x. Then I subtract 9 from both sides. So -12 equals -6 times root x. Then I divide by -6. So root x, because of that property of equality, I just switched them because I like the letters on the left. So -12 divided by -6 is 2. Okay, now I've isolated the root again, and I need to square both sides. So x equals 4. Awesome. Should I box it? Not yet. I should check to make sure it's not extraneous. When I plug in 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. And then the square root of 4 is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Awesome. I love it. The biggest issue that students see here is they want to say, oh, that's 9 minus x. No, don't do it. Don't let that be you. Don't forget to take those two binomials and distribute.